Hello everyone, welcome back to Green Bay Classics YouTube. Jordan here. We are out in the shop. It was house cleaning day. Cleaned up the shop and now we're gonna clean up the bike a little bit. Show a little oopsie as I hit the floor today while I was messing with the fire. So thanks so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share with all your friends. This will be the first little test area. See how much we can clean. See how much of a difference we can make right here. So here we go. This is I'm just spraying some Purple Power. It's like the greaser, and then I'm using microfiber rag with a screwdriver to fit in all the places that my fingers won't fit. So I'm just going through each fin, trying to clean them out the best I possibly can. But just look at the little engine cover, how much that turned already. It's cleaning up so nice. Actually amazing. Look at that reflection in there. I knew when I saw it that it would clean up good, but it might even surprise me. Thank you very much for watching. Okay, this is the other side. You can see the fingerprints from when I first picked it up. Alright, I'm actually pretty excited to show you, see how this baby shined up. Hello everyone, Jordan here. Just wrapped up, giving the shop a pretty big cleaning. Just organizing. Every time you do a project or even a little task, you take stuff out and then you put it down and it just acquires and acquires until you have a messy ass shop, which I really don't like. So this is just the main shop that I work in. The sections to the right are just our driving vehicles. Right now the Firebird and the truck is in there, and pretty much the big section to the left is all storage. So we have the 54 Ford, we have the Corvette, we have the Lincolns, we have the Mustang. So that's pretty much just all storage. So I'll flip the camera over and give you a look. So here we are, is my main shop. Got the old classic boombox radio, whatever you want to say. I looked for that specifically because I wanted exactly what I used to jam out to when cooking in the kitchen. The 86 Yamaha Virago cleaned up really great today. I'm amazed at how well she shined up. It's looking very good. I'm just working on the whole key situation to really jump into that. a little wood stove that works good, casting couch, tools, parts. That's pretty much it. One bay what I use for my actual shop. So that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Green Bay Classics YouTube. Jordan here. I am sitting in front of the fire right now because it's really cold outside. I don't know what exactly it is, but it's not much warmer in here than it is outside. So today I am going to tackle getting the Corvette started. I'm pretty sure the last time I pulled that battery, I might have put in the old one instead of putting in the new one. So that's going to be the project for today. Okay, so the lights are on, so we got some juice. Sure of that. Let's see if this baby will start. Oh man, it's tight fit in this thing. Forget.